Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. Just finished up my finals for the winter. It's for me fall semester, and then one more class during the spring semester, and I'm done with school. Anyhow, we are going to be doing Patreon December R2 for 2026. I'll be looking at D&D, Warhammer proxies, and figures for your 3D printing needs. All the link for these will be down below for you as well. Please subscribe, like, and share if you do enjoy it. And let's get started. So we got a 3D art guy. It's coming in for December. They do figures. We got the Emperor of Doom. Uh, I know there's a whole bunch of lore. I don't really know much of Dune. I know like the first book and the Children of Dune, due to the movie and the TV series of multiple readaptations and remakes of it. I do not like the new Doom movie. Just letting you guys know. I mean, the Doom movie show is 3 parts. But yeah, we got Optimus Prime that's coming in. We also have the Mantis for the Tau. So instead of paying 3 grand for a Mantis, you can print yourself a freaking Mantis, and that's probably what I'm going to do. I'm going to print myself a Mantis, a full form of the Emperor of Doom as well. It's kind of weird looking, I tell you the truth. Full scale Optimus Prime with the gun. Optimus fighting Megatron, looks like it. There's a transformed version of her. It says Well, there you go. His truck. I remember the old days. Back in the I think the early '90s, I believe. My dad got me this kind of Optimus Prime toy. It came with a missile launcher in his trailer. You open it and the missile launcher, and you got a little squeezy air pump, and you hit it, and the freaking missile shot. Yeah, that's what I remember far back. But if I had that toy right now, it's go worth a lot of money. Darth Raven, we got that. Force Lightning, Nantes inside. So you can actually do a full scale of it. I don't know how big of a print it's going to take. I do have a big printer coming in, and there's your drones, more emperors. I think these are the servants from Dune as well. Making Talon is another terrain one as well. I think we are getting a cart for this month, a dragon cart for like Monster Hunter. I'm guessing this is probably a good one to have for your campaign to do monster hunting, for your D&D campaign as well. There's a lot detailed as well. All you need is like a big ass dinosaur or an animal pulling it, then you're golden in that manner. Hyperius Studio. This is another figure one. That's March 30th. Promo one looks like it. You can download this. Looks like it. A figure from Fan Service STL. And alert. Yesterday's alert. Today's alert for it. We're also having a female version of Bloodborne. Looks like it as well. Ethan Savage. Another one. Fighting this one from last month. We won't get the new one until the end of this month as well. PS Miniatures is another Warhammer proxies in many of the ways. If I can click on that. And we got the. Oh, we gotta unlock it. If I could get a free little sneak peek. Let's see what this month is going to be. Looks like some type of Sisters of Battles. If you're interested in that, you know where to get it. Little Patty, that's the 14. We're supposed to get Lust for this month. This was a while ago, for figure one as well, but we're getting ready for Lust for this one. Lootman, they do World of Warcraft style figures. We are getting Crane Bloodhoof for this coming month. Last month was Arbark, the undead beetle lord, and the freaking I forgot the damn game. It's been a while playing Wrath of the Lich King. I forgot the name for it. We got Youngblood Sculpt as well. Looks like we are voting for January. I am gonna go for 801. Big butt boobs. I'm trying to see if we have December. So this is gonna be December ones that's coming out for this month. But yeah, let's see if we can get some more in because we're like halfway through the video. Let's do Bite the Bullet, Highland, Interception if it's coming out. We got Arch Villain, Hero, Official Rue, PGs. Let's do PG Figure and Bruno Art. That should be enough. Bite the Bullet, another D&D figure. I don't know what this month's going to be. Let's see here. This month is Autumn 25. Corgis? Are we getting different types of corgis? Armored corgis. I think this is just the same corgi with just different attachments to it. Here's the December one right here. So we're getting some more D&D. Looks like we've got a Donald Duck character in here. So there's your throwback. There's Decker Kane. We got a Slime Warrior, Plasmoid Barbarian. For that, we have a Thiefling Cleric, a Dwarf Monk, a Human Paladin, a Gnome Wizard. We have a Thorton Sorceress. I'm guessing a sea caster, Elf Rogue, the Duckfolk Bard, a Pugfolk Warrior. You have Triton Warlock. We have a Duckfolk Rogue. We have a Terracarna Assassin. That's from Spelljammers for that. I know that for a fact. Yeah, Florida Fire Monk as well. So yeah, we got the Flora Fire Monk. That'll be it for that. Highland Miniature is a Warhammer proxy for this one. I think it's more Chaos Dwarves. I believe it's going to be, if I remember correctly. Here you go, December. Yeah, more Chaos Dwarves. I like this one a lot better than the one that Gray Game Workshop released. I just didn't feel. I like the old school look of these Chaos Dwarves. How the beard and everything looks like as well. That's one part of it. Here's a canon one for it. As November release. The whole release will be out once it's done. Pre session, I don't know if they're gone or not, but I believe they are in many ways. We got Arch Villain games. They did a sci-fi and that might be a Warhammer proxy, and they do fantasy ones as well. I think this will be the last video until we call it quits for this week. December open. That's some big dude for it. I don't know what kind of proxy you're gonna make with this one. Some kind of chaos, I believe. There's a worm for the fantasy one too. Looks like a Remy Beast. Some weird thing. Forsworn Hag. That looked like a Nurgle stuff right there. Marauders. Owlkin Ranger. Shrin. Rhymewind. Shaman. Galkin in many ways. Galkin Borrow Caller 1. Borrow 2. There's a lot of stuff that you can actually look at. Looks like more like one of those like Princess Mononoke spirits in horror form, in my opinion, in many ways as well. It's like freaking frost trolls and stuff. This might be good for the Tyranid cult ones, but some of them look like Dark Eldar stuff as well, mixed with Nurgle and crap. If you don't have any good idea to make this as a proxy for Warhammer, please leave it down in the comments below. 'Cause I'm trying to make heads and tail of it. I'm not an expert at Warhammer. Uh, it's just one of those things. Well, anyhow, hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our page and Discord. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.